Huwag nyo na pong galaw-galawin yung releasing gear. Okay na po yan. Pero make sure lang na maayos siya. Walang blockage, walang mga kung ano-anong sabit-sabit. Okay? Tiller or gadgets. Yung tiller po kahit paano pwede pa pong maayos yon. Okay? Has been checked for proper maintenance with no wastage or rot. Okay? Yung next up naman is yung engine is in good working condition and has been operationally tested. Yung engine po dapat po naayos po yan. Pwede po tayo mag-check and mag-test ng ating lifeboat engine. Almost similar din po sila ng makina ng rescue boat, pero po iba lang yung format. Okay? Parehas lang sila ng number of cylinders halos eh. Okay? Pero po, ang kagandahan po sa makina ng mga lifeboats, pwede nyo po siyang i-check kahit wala kayong cooling. Kasi po sa rescue boat kasi, para in order for you to check yung kanyang rescue boat engine, kailangan nyo pa po ng cooling. Kailangan nakapatong siya. Nakapasok siya sa tubig, sa may balde, tapos nakakonect yung tubig. Okay, kasi iinit yan long term. Lifeboats have been lowered as per schedule and released from hooks to confirm release mechanisms. Make sure po na walang dikit-dikit, walang kalawang, okay, baka mamaya may mga extra block